What's up, my dog pound family? Today we are in somewhere in Maryland. I don't even know what town we're in. We're in the boonies. We're in the sticks. It's good to be here. We're at Schrader'S Outdoors, and we are hunting, like I said, somewhere out here in the boondocks of Maryland, and we're in a straight-walled caliber county, or shotgun county, whatever you want to call it. They set it up a little different in Maryland, where certain counties you're able to, hunt with shotgun or straight-walled caliber. And then you got some counties you're allowed to use whatever you want, basically, firearm, rifle. So we are in a straight-walled caliber county, and we are hunting with our 450 Bushmaster. So I got Taylor here with me today, and as you can see, Taylor, we're sitting here chilling out. Been here since about 11:30 this morning in this blind. These are really nice blinds that Schrader sets you up in once you get out here. And it's cold. It is cold today, people. We brought we're sissies. We're just a bunch of sissies here. We got a heater with us. We made sure we got some propane tanks, because these old bones, man, they just can't take the cold like they used to. But it is what it is. Hey, I'm not afraid to admit it. We're hunting in a nice box blind where it's comfortable, and we're out of them 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. We just hope the wind dies down and the deer get moving. We're on a farm where Brandon's got a couple really good ones on camera the last couple days. Matter of fact, they got him on the camera this morning, and we're just hoping that he'll show back up tonight. But if not, we're not above thinning the doe population here. So it's meat in the freezer, baby. Lay them down. Either way, stay tuned. Hopefully it'll get action packed here soon. And thank you all for being with us. We love you all and appreciate you. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out STRADER'S.com to make sure that you can get yourself booked on a great hunt here on the Eastern Shore of Maryland. Come join us. We'd love to have you. So stay tuned. We'll see you in a bit. is she?
127.
We'll wait and see if they roll his way a little bit. Maybe she'll come a little bit closer. It seems like they're working their way this way.
Looking at something.
Yeah. Something's got them stirred in that woods. But I think it's there's another deer in that woods. And one all the way to the left is big.
What?
That one is big.
Yeah, I'm looking at her.
I keep hoping something's gonna pop out. They keep looking back. The damn buck might be down in here waiting.
Right. I'm looking at something.
Yeah. Just before legal shooting time.
Found him.
What?
There he is. Right where you said he was going to come out.
Ain't that something?
Oh man, I want him so bad.
Let's see what he does. I don't want to take a bad shot. That's a good one.
Come a little closer.
All right, guys. Day 2. Probably our last day here in Maryland for the firearms season, but man, it was a close one last night. We had a big Mac Daddy 8-point come out, and he was a monster, but he was about 50 yards too far from where our comfort level is. Just having shot the rifle that far, we're not sure if the shot would have been true, and we don't want to take no chance of wounding an animal. So better to be safe than sorry. Let's hope tonight the wind's changed a little bit. It's not quite as cold, so let's hope tonight will yield similar results with him showing up, but maybe coming a little bit closer to the blind tonight. So keep your fingers crossed, because it's time to go hunting. I'm here in Barkley, Maryland, which is Queen Anne's County. I believe, yeah, Queen Anne's County, Maryland, with Schrader'S Outdoors. And this is the last day that I'll be here and be able to hunt here in Maryland for the remainder of their firearm season, which ends this Saturday. I've got a fundraiser charity event for Reefs Across America, which honors our fallen heroes. And so I'll be there on Saturday, which is the last day of Maryland season here. And the good thing is I'll be done with that early in the morning. So Delaware's antlerless season starts on Saturday. So as Maryland firearm season goes out, Delaware's antlerless firearm season comes in. So I'm going to just kind of trade one state for the other. Even though I will miss my friends here at Schrader'S, I will be back. This is a marathon, not a sprint. So it's not a short-term deal. We're here for the long haul. Kenny Schrader's been a great friend of mine for a long time. And I've gotten to be really good friends with the people here at Schrader'S, and it's like one big happy family. So it's an honor for me to be a part of their family, for them to accept me. Who would do that? Go figure. They're good people if they accept me, the man beast. So it's been a great couple weeks here. We saw a monster 8-pointer. He was a good one. And over in Delaware, they do grow them that big or bigger, because we do have some big deer in Delaware. But for an 8-pointer, that dude was a hoss. And he was a shooter all day and night. Hopefully he'll make an appearance here tonight on my last night here in the blind in Maryland. If he does, hopefully he'll be taking a ride in Andrew's pickup truck. But we'll see. But thank you guys for being here. Hopefully this turns out to be an eventful hunt. If not, man, we're just having fun doing what we do. So thank you all so much for your support, for being with us. Love you guys so much. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't be here. So I'm grateful. And with that being said, if you're out in the stand right now or somewhere getting ready to go, please be safe and good luck to you all. Christmas is right around the corner, so you please go do your thing and have a lot of fun out there in the blind stands. Wear your harnesses. Be safe. Go home to your family. That would be a heck of a thing to either have to spend Christmas in the hospital or worse. So let's not do that. Let's make sure the tables are full come Christmas time. So stick with us. We'll see what happens. Your adrenaline is pumping. Temperature's a little cold. I don't know, it's about a 150, 160 yard shot. It looked like it was a good hit. We're gonna wait, give her some time. Andrew will come out here in a little bit, and then we'll go out and we'll look for blood, but I got a really good feeling. So, we still got some doe tags, so let's just sit here a little bit longer. Maybe another one will come out. Oh, man. All right, guys, look. We were gonna film the recovery, I promise you, and kind of did a bonehead thing and let the battery on the camera die. And until we got back to the truck, we didn't have another battery, so I had to change it out. And Andrew Farrow, my boy from Schrader'S Outdoors, right there, he's behind the camera. My guide, my brother from another mother, he helped me out tonight. We got on the blood trail with this thing. We shot her with the CVA 450 Bushmaster, and we didn't have very much trouble finding her. The blood trail was very prominent. I can't complain, man. That rifle's something else. She was piled up, what, Andrew, 20 yards in the woods?
Yeah, just about that.
So, it is, you know, look, this is what you call deer management. You got to manage the herd, and you got to take the does. So,
how many did you end up seeing tonight?
I think there was, we had, altogether, I think there was 7 that came out, and then in the bunch with her. And then I had the one that everybody will see on the video, of course, when that fox was out there. That deer was messing with my fox was messing with the deer. We saw that one that came out first, and then she went on down the woods. But it was about a half hour before dark, I think it was, when I texted you and said that they'd come out. And we were hoping there's a big 8-pointer there, a nice 8-pointer, and you guys will see it in the video. He's a hoss. That was the plan. It didn't work out, and I'm okay with that because it's meat in the freezer, and I'm very thankful for Schrader'S Outdoors for allowing me to be a part of their family, to be here, and thank you very much to my boy behind the camera right now, Andrew Farrow, who is, in my opinion, one of the best guides you're going to find anywhere. Just an all-around hell of a guy. So thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Kenny. Everybody at Schrader'S for having me and blessing me with some more meat for my family. So thank you all very much. And I hope you all enjoyed the hunt.
Yeah, my name's Ed, hunting here at Schrader'S Outdoors. This morning here on Tuesday, December the 3rd, I was able to get an 8-point buck here, not far from the manor house. So got into the stands around 5:30, big box blind actually. So got in around 5:30, daybreak came, starting to get light. I was checking scope on my rifle, kept glass in the field there over a food plot. And then about 5 or 7, he came in from the left-hand side, walked down about 50 yards, 56 yards, and then cut to the right and grunted one time there, got him to stop, and hit him with a 30-06. He dropped right away, didn't move at all, and went down. And Andrew here at Schrader'S came, and also Peyton, and came and gave me a hand there getting the deer in the truck. And we're back here. Andrew field dressed him for me, and we're all set, ready to head down to the butcher. All right.
How many years have you been hunting with Schrader'S?
Just my first year.
First year.
Met Ken Schrader at Great American Outdoor Show. And he said, well, I'm in Maryland. I said, well, that's not far from me in Pennsylvania. So I got my Maryland license, came down here, actually fished their ponds for largemouth. Did well, and met everyone, and then came down here Friday, hunted Saturday, Monday, and then this morning, Tuesday.
Well, you know, this is going to be a hard one to beat for your first year, right?
Yes. It's setting a high bar.
Right. Well, congratulations on the great deer. Really
Thank
is.
you.